Hey everyone! Today, we're going to create a fun and colorful fish using seeds, and we'll do it all on white chart paper. This project is perfect for those who enjoy creating art with nature's treasures. First, we'll start by drawing a fish shape. To add some vibrant colors, let's use sunflower seeds for the eyes and red chili seeds for the mouth. These tiny details really bring our fish to life. Next, we'll add some scales using a variety of seeds. Watermelon seeds for the base color, pumpkin seeds for a darker shade, and sesame seeds for an even lighter one. This creates a stunning gradated effect that gives our fish a realistic appearance. Finally, let's adorn our fish with some seaweed. For this, we can use black graham or coconut husk charcoal. This adds another dimension to our design and completes the underwater scene on our chart paper. And there you have it. We've created a beautiful and unique fish using chart paper and nature's bounty. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did, and that it inspired you to unleash your creativity using seeds and other natural elements. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting projects and ideas. Until next time, happy creating!